Welcome to this Tutor2u Sociology topic video looking at beliefs in society, focusing on the work of Robert Bellah on religion. Writing in the late 1960s, Robert Bellah took a neo-functionalist approach to definitions of religion in what he called post-traditional society. With growing secularization, Bellah argued that religion was being replaced with civil religion, particularly in the USA. He noted that there was increasingly complex relationships between different denominations of Christianity in America, and that these differences meant that people were becoming more involved in civil religion than traditional religious practices. This new civil religion merged traditional Christian values with American patriotism, which led to a distinct civil religion based upon aspects of American culture developing sacred qualities. As such, Americanism became a way of life, particularly in the face of growing challenges to the established order of American society. Bellah argued that civil religions promote an identity for individuals based upon elements of national identity or even ideological ways of life. The pursuit of life, liberty and happiness had long been part of American life, but Bellah suggested that this was being embedded into all aspects of American life. It allowed American society to compensate for the greater diversity of religions, particularly with mass migration in the early 20th century, and could include people of all faiths as long as they prioritized the ideals of American life over other beliefs. Whilst on the surface this can be argued to be inclusive, it presented itself as a form of assimilation for migrants into the USA, making sure that American ideals were followed. Bellah's definition of civil religion includes aspects of traditional religions, with artifacts, texts, ceremonies and rituals being part of the national identity. Thanksgiving and Independence Day are two such examples of holidays associated with Americanism, whilst rituals such as children reciting the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag each day in school becomes a ritual of American life. Artifacts such as the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments of the Constitution, and the American flag take on a sacred quality, whilst monuments such as the Statue of Liberty and the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia have similar significance to Americans as religious monuments. Civil religion allows for a celebration of national identity and gives a nation's achievement a sacred quality. The concept of civil religion has been utilized effectively, particularly by those on the political right, to appeal to American voters. In the early 1980s, US President Ronald Reagan boasted of American exceptionalism, seeing the USA as a beacon of freedom and liberty in the midst of the Cold War. Reagan's view was that God was an American and the actions of the government were to protect the American people and the rest of the world against the tyranny of communism. This message was also utilized by Donald Trump in his campaign, focusing on the idea of making America great again, criticizing his predecessors for falling from the path of Americanism by being too liberal and focusing on internationalism rather than the will of the American people. Both campaigns were successful, although Trump's use of civil religion was often criticized as being outdated and excluding many minority groups in US society. Bellah's work can be applied to other societies, particularly those with totalitarian leadership, such as Nazi Germany and Communist Russia, with both of these societies being focused on the glory of the nation, often at the expense of freedoms of individuals. Critics have suggested that civil religion has less qualities of a religion and more qualities of nationalism, and civil religion struggles to fit into the substantive definition of religion, being more functional in nature. Finally, civil religion fails to see all men as equal under the law. Despite its outward expression of inclusivity, American society has a history of racial segregation, including the Jim Crow laws, and to this day is often accused of socially and economically excluding minority groups. That concludes this Tutor2u Sociology topic video on beliefs in society, focusing on the work of Robert Bellah on religion. Thanks for watching.